What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to try the Armor All Extreme Shield plus ceramic. It's car wash, soap, obviously. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I read good reviews. This thing, it's like the truck has been, or the car has been ceramic freaking coated. So we're going to try it out. Extreme Shield. Look at it. Look for it on Amazon. I think I found this actually at Walmart one day. I couldn't get it on Amazon. It was sold out for a while, all right? You could do hand wash, or you could do a foam cannon, and we're going to throw it in the foam cannon today. What I like to use, obviously you're going to have your cannon there. Bought this thing on Amazon. You want to get yourself, what I use just for the car wash or the truck wash is this electric pressure washer. I have gas pressure washers, but all you need is a smaller one like this. It's a nice little Greenworks, and you got yourself a gun here. This gun came with the spray foamer. We're going to click it onto here, the quick click connect, whatever the hell you want to call it. Boom. We're going to turn it on, and then we're going to spray the truck down. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it now and see what it looks like. It is dirty. All right, you can see a lot of staining. All right, I normally don't keep it this dirty, but been running into a few things, been busy, so we'll go over it really quick. I know the sun is not really helping, but definitely needs a wash. Go around here. All right, you get the point. All right, so let's start this generator, not the generator, let's start this little pressure washer, and we'll spray it down. First thing you want to do is you want to spray the foam all over the freaking truck. Flood it with some soap suds, and then we're going to grab a hand, nice little hand washer here. Make sure it's clean, there's no rocks, nothing in it. Always make sure. You find rocks or some shit in here, you're going to screw up your paint. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, we got her connected. Turn it on. Make sure, whenever you're using a pressure washer, always have the water turned on first into the unit before you turn on the pump. If you turn it on and there's no water, you can blow the pump. Nice little electric. It's easy. What you want to do is, if you've never used the spray foamer before, you got to squeeze it, and you got to turn this little dial here. You can see to get more or less foam. Sorry about that. You're going to adjust this knob. So let's see what it looks like. Spray the foam on. You got to regulate and turn the dial to get more foam. You got to turn it. There you go. Do a good job on the side. Drench it. Don't forget the top. Don't forget the tires. Alright, once you get the foam on, you're going to have a bucket of water. Alright. You get your mitt, your hand mitt. Get some water on it. And you're going to go over the truck or the car. Okay? I'm sure you know how to wash a car. You're going to go over it by hand. And for the areas you can't reach, I recommend right here the Ever Sprout. It's got a brush, it's soft, and this way you can get the areas you can't reach. You understand? You're going to do your window, you're going to do the middle of your roof or your hood. All right, then you're obviously going to step on your step boards, and I'm going to get up there and do my moon roof up there, or whatever the hell you want to call it. All right, let me get up there and do it. Continue around the entire truck. Then we're going to disconnect the foamer, and we're going to put one of these lower pressured nozzles on. one of these guys, and we're going to spray all this crap off. And then I'll show you how we dry it real quick. You can see it's beading nice. It's almost like it's got a great wax job on it. You can tell already. See that? See what it looks like when we dry it off. Just got to do the tailgate and we're finished. Then I'm going to grab the, I don't know if a lot of people know, it took me a while, believe it or not. And I used to wash cars when I was younger. Make a little side hustle. Use your backpack blower to get all the little crevices and stuff, you know, things that leak, like in here. Spray all this out. You can pretty much get the whole truck with the backpack, and then you do the windows with your chamois or whatever you want to do it with. And obviously you'll see how good the backpack works on these rims. Dries them right up. Now let me finish the tailgate, then we'll grab the backpack and we'll start drying it. Okay, what I use is my Red Max. All right, you don't need something this big. You can do it with a handheld electric one if you got one, or even a battery powered one. All right, I'm gonna start it. You're not gonna hear me talk, so let's go through it real quick. And then we're gonna dry off the windows with a chamois, all right? can see, this thing works like a champ. Look at that shine, it's beautiful. Look at them rims. Are you kidding me? We're gonna really see when we get the next rainstorm or so. I will update you. I will leave it in the comments below on this video to let you know if this stuff really held up. But yeah, if you want to try a new car wash, it's the Armor All ceramic wash. Give it a shot. I mean, this thing looks sweet, and I didn't even touch it yet with a chamois. Look at that. This could be a good freaking profile or whatever you call it, the pick, cuz let's do this. All right, well, again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope if you were out there looking for a car wash idea and maybe a drying idea, how to dry the car quick, you got 2 for 1 in this video. All right, what do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! Yeah, that's my hand right there, cuz. Oh, look. Sonny, are you in that bottle of Purell in there? Listen, I know COVID's done, but you can never be too clean, bro. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Sonny!
Yeah, Sonny.